Welcome back, unicorns, to another video. In today's video is another YouTube collab, so if you want to see me create this look and hear the theme, stay tuned. So this is for hashtag unicornglamsquad. I'm the host of this collab, and every Wednesday we do a different theme, and this week's theme was metallic. So I'm going to be creating this metallic look. It's a metallic graphic liner look, and I think it turned out really cool looking, but hope y'all do enjoy it. I will link the ladies that's in this collab down below. They're add to their channel, they're linked to their videos, so you can go check them out and show us love and tell them I sent you. You can also get to them by clicking the hashtag in the title, which is hashtag unicornglamsquad. And this is an open collab, anyone could join in. All you have to do is DM me over there on Instagram and tell me you want to join in. I'll add you to the Instagram group. That's where we communicate at. And hopefully let to see some new faces in this collab. Again, we post every Wednesday, and all you have to do when you're a part of the collab is send your link to the group and your picture so I can make a collage for it, and that's all. And make sure you do put the hashtag in your title, like I said. And to continue watching this tutorial, hope you do enjoy it, and let me know down below what you thought of this look. So if you got this far in the video and you enjoyed it so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It does help out a lot. And comment down below if you love metallic eyeshadows or liquid eyeshadows. Let me know down below. And you'll be shout out the next video I upload on my channel. If you want to see what shout out in the previous video about my channel, check out the channel's checkout section, show some love. They were YouTubers as well as subscribers. So again, unicorns, if you do want to be shouted out, answer that question. If you don't want to answer the question, just say you watched the full, you'll also be shouted out in the next video, also upload on my channel. So this is the finished look. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Let me know how you think I did. I'm really not good at liner looks, but I try my best for this look, so let me know down below. And that's it for today's video, so if you do enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below your thoughts on this collab, and share if you do enjoy it. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our unicorn family, hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload, and unicorns, always be yourself. Bye!